everyone. In this video we should know about the AP series, that is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. So first of all, what is arithmetic progression? It is a series having the difference is same, like A1, that is the first term, A2 second term, A3 third term, up to so on. The last term is nth term. Here is n is number of terms. Number of terms in this AP, and A or A1 is first term. First term, and difference is A2 minus A1. Difference, this is a D1. D2 is A3 minus A2. And in this AP series, the difference will be same every element, every terms, between every terms. Now we should solve the following sum. Question is, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 8 up to 78. So here the AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 up to 78. So this is a AP. Now in this AP, first term is 3, second term is 8, third term is 13 up to so on. That means last term is an is equals to 78. Now in this question we need to find the value of n, that is a number of terms. Value of n is how many number of terms. How many number of terms. Now we should use the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. The d is common difference is equals to a2 minus a1 is equals to a2 is 8 minus a1 is 3 is equals to 5. Now put these equation, this value in this equation or formula. So an, here given an is 78. Now put this in. So 78 is equals to a is 3 plus n minus 1 into d is 5. Now simplify this. Here is 3 in positive, and when it shifted to left hand side it will negative. Negative minus 3 is equals to n minus 3 is 75 is equals to n minus 1 into 5. Now you can see that 5 is multiplied with this bracket. So when it shifted to other side, so it will be divisible by this number. So 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25 is equals to n minus 1. So here is 15 is equals to n minus 1. Now you can see that here is minus 1, then it shifted to other side, sign will be changed. So here 15 plus 1 is equals to n. Now n is equals to 16. So number of terms required for this AP is equals to 16. So in this AP number of terms is 16. So nth, that means a 16th term is equals to 78. Next question we need to, here is the question, find the sum of the first 22 terms of an AP in which d is equals to 7 and the 22nd term is 49. So in this question we need to find the S22, sum of 22 terms, and given is common difference is 7 and a 22th term, it mean to say the 22nd term is equals to 149. In this question we find S22. Now first of all we using the an formula for finding the value of a. A means first term. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 149 is equals to a is not given plus which term is 149? 149 is 22th term minus 1 and d is 7. So 149 here is equals to a plus 22 minus 1 is 21. 21 into 7. Now 149 is equals to a. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Now 147 shifted to the other side. So we will get here 149 minus 147 is equals to A, which is equals to 2. So first term is 2. Now using the sum formula of AP series. So here Sn is equals to n upon 2, 2a plus and minus 1 into d here, and the second formula is for finding the sum is Sn is equals to n upon 2 a plus a, and these two formulas for using the sum of the term. So now we use this formula because this is easiest formula and we have all terms, all values from this formula. So Sn is equals to, where n is equals to 22, so 22 upon 2, and a is 2 plus an is 149. Further simplify this, 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 22 is equals to 11. For 449 plus 2 is 151. Now calculate this, 151 into 11 is 151 into 151 is 1661. So here sum of the 22nd term is 1661. This is the required answer for this question. Arithmetic progression. In this chapter we should use the three formulas. First is an, which is the nth term, and here a plus n minus 1 into d. Second is Sn, which is sum of the nth term, n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and last same formula for nth term, sum of nth term is n upon 2. Here is a plus an, and an written as L. So here is Sn is equals to n upon 2 a plus L. L means last term or nth term. So thank you very much. I hope you understood this video, and thank you.